So how to backup files using Windows file history. So first up, we're going to search settings. I'm going to search files backup and click the files backup here. You're going to see backup using file history. So mine it's automatically on and off. I'm going to click that. So first, if you don't have this option here, you need to first select a current drive or external drive that you want to backup. So just going to click that if you already have this. So click more option. So here you're going to see the external drive that you're using as backup. So you can see I'm using the F. If I select or click the backup now, everything here will automatically backup in that external drive. So here you can choose to stop using this drive. So if I click this, so say you need to stop using your current backup drive before you add a new one. This won't delete any files from your current backup drive. So first you have to not use your backup file or external if it's running on background. So I'm just going to close it. Now I turn it off. So now it's stopped using this drive. So how can I open it again? So just back, add drive, and now you can select other drive that you want to. So that's pretty much it on how to backup files using Windows file history. Thank you.